1, go.
The Grinch.
New Year's Eve problem.
Sammy's on course with a green bolt. Ooh, he made short work of that. Outdoor rocks on the indoor course. He doesn't waste any time. Stock suspension, high clearance links, 54mm tires, brass knuckles and diff covers. I think he's got an original Emax servo barrage motor. The tire gobblers, the HoleSaw bridge. Oh yeah, oh easy, easy. Don't drop it on the concrete. The floor is a long way down. Okay, now you got to go up the other black monster. It's not easy getting up here. Easy, nice and slow, so you don't roll it down the other side. Go easy. He's still got V1 electronics. Now, crawl, Sammy. Don't bounce. Well, you're crawling, you're bouncing. You're going very fast.
I'm not wasting any time.
I know, you're going too fast though. Willie did 2 laps of this, both directions, and took him 5 minutes.
Okay, I'm done.
You're done at 2.2. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!